How to earn rewards and daily bonuses in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. Sonic Rumble offers multiple ways to earn rewards, rings, and daily bonuses to help you progress faster and enjoy the game more. Start by logging in daily. The game rewards players for consistent daily logins, giving you free rings, items, skins, or temporary boosters. Make it a habit to log in every day to maximize these bonuses. Next, participate in races, missions, and challenges. Completing these activities not only earns you experience point but also gives you extra rewards such as rings, character upgrade, and special items. Focus on daily and weekly missions as these often provide larger bonuses. Another great way to earn rewards is by participating in limited time events. Sonic Rumble events often offer exclusive items, rare skins, and bonus rings for completing objectives within the event period. Make sure to check the event section regularly and join as many as possible. Additionally, keep an eye on codes released by the developers on official social media channels or community forums. Redeeming these codes can give you extra rings, items, or skins, enhancing your gameplay without spending money. By combining daily logins, missions, events, and code redemption, you can maximize your rewards and bonuses, progress faster, and unlock rare items in Sonic Rumble. Now you know how to earn rewards and daily bonuses in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.